Today we'll talk about how can you figure out the solution or know how you can do that on your Cambly app. So you just follow this ways, then it's going to work with you. So all you have to do, so you just go down here, you click here on line down here, you just click on it. So then it's going to take you to next step here. It's going to show for you like this. Then all you have to do, you just click here on participate here conversation at your own pace. Just click on it. Here can you use your voice. So in this list, and here can you find it in this list like you see here. And here can you hold and here you record your voice. That's all. Thank you for your watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe. So you just follow this ways here, then it's going to work with you. So that's all. Thank you for your watching.